Duro Dyne Dyn-O-Rings make installing spiral ductwork quick and easy. They can be installed and assembled on site or in a shop, and a tapered edge helps start the ring when fitting into the pipe. Dyn-O-Rings are stocked in large quantities at our facilities and at select distributors across the country. Dyn-O-Rings can be sealed with either butyl or neoprene gasket tape. There is virtually no leakage at transverse connection when properly installed. Our Dyn-O-Rings come with pre-drilled holes for fast assembly on the job site. They eliminate labor-intensive clamps and clips, and no special tools are needed for installation. Ducts can be disassembled and reassembled easily. Secure around the perimeter with Duro Dyne Pro Point or Super Saber screws. Dyn-O-Rings are manufactured from 18-gauge galvanized steel, meeting specification ASTM A653. Duro Dyne offers a variety of ring sizes and types to fit any duct. 90-degree Dyn-O-Rings are available as 1.5" by 1.5" or 2.5" by 1.5" in sizes ranging from 8" to 99" in diameter. TDC style Dyn-O-Rings feature a rigid hem along the outer edge of the ring, substantially increasing the rigidity of the finished product. TDC rings are available in either single wall or double wall, in sizes ranging from 14" to 99" in diameter. Dyn-O-Rings are hand welded and painted to ensure the strongest, most rigid connection and protection from the elements. Also available in 16-gauge galvanized steel and specialty metals, aluminum, 300 series stainless steel, and galvanneal. Dyn-O-Rings, another durable and dynamic product from Duro Dyne.